going over to the fire. So we're over at Nascar playing Putt Putt.
So it's carrying water?
Yeah, so there's a fire in Wares Valley. And now
It's like a powder that they carry. It's not water.
it's a big brush fire. Let's see how you do. They're already fighting.
I'm swinging it back around to make it dramatic.
I gotta catch the pro. She's got 3 pars already on her hole number 11.
Is it messing around the corner?
Yeah, just gently go up the hill, not all the way.
No backseat slides, like right.
Oh, go run, see if you got it.
It's just almost.
It did not.
Yes,
It did?
It bounced
Aw.
off.
Pro player. She's going on tour. Where does it go?
Wait, what's this?
The first one, I think it's right down to the bottom.
Oh, yeah, dang.
Here comes the pro player.
Aquarium. Come on.
Oh, smart move.
Why?
He went ahead in the one right there.
This one?
Yeah,
Yeah, because it was down
very smart move to play the twig. That's why she's a pro. There goes Paul.
Blocking the thing
No,
out.
no. Oh, just
Paul.
put it in there. It comes down.
Good shot. It's the Wares Valley fire.
Fire?
Yeah, it's gotten worse. It's about 2 miles away. It's pretty windy. You can see the fire way off in the distance. Okay, 3 miles away.
You brought me from, I got so much. Thank you for.
Fire is now called the Hatcher Mountain Road Indigo Lane Fire. 0% contained.